Thai spicy seafood dipping sauce. This really adds a punch of flavor to any seafood. The ingredients we're gonna need are pretty simple. We're gonna need a little bit of cilantro, just a few stems here, some cloves of garlic. I used 5 cloves. The garlic taste was pretty pungent, so you can use less if you like, but I enjoy it, and some bird's eye chili. So this was pretty spicy. I think I have about 6 or 7 peppers here. We need a lime, some coconut sugar or palm sugar if you like, as well as some fish sauce for that nice umami flavor. In a food chopper or food processor, go ahead and add all of your Thai chilies, the garlic, and then I'm just kind of breaking up the cilantro here so it blends evenly. And then go ahead and pulse that until everything gets broken down. You don't want a big chunk of garlic. So keep in mind, this sauce is pretty much your own preference. If you enjoy it sweeter, sour, or saltier, just kind of use my measurements as a guide. So I'm transferring the chopped up chili and garlic into a bowl. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar and 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Always use fresh lime. And then 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Go ahead and give that a mix. This is a little bit thick, so I'm just adding a splash of water just to kind of thin it out and make it a little less concentrated. So I did taste this and it needed a little bit more fish sauce personally. That's how I like it. So I'm adding another teaspoon, and that right there is perfect. So my family enjoys eating this sauce with some steamed crab. I also have some grilled shrimp. We'll even do lobster or some squid, and it's just so good. We'll serve it with some lettuce, cucumbers, and of course some Thai sticky rice. You can click on the iCard for that recipe. And this just really adds some spiciness, saltiness, sourness to seafood. You can even eat it with a protein like chicken, and I just absolutely love it. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.